Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, heads-up display. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.